Okay, today we get the Naridini Mascote 16x40. We'll walk around it first and then we'll run it through its paces. Get a DRO. Let's look at the headstock here. All your levers are in great shape, all your signs. Feed speed chart, everything's good. Really nice. Take a look at the ways too over here. Scoring, very nice. Tool post. Looks like you got dual dials. Minimal backlash. Did you check backlash on this? No, it's minimal. It's very small, a few thousandths. And we're showing it on the DRO there too. So, all right. Tailstock. Here's part of the tag. Here's your taper attachment. Here's your main data tag. Spindle bore, 220 volts. All right, let's run it, sir. Go through some feeds, speeds.
Start out slow and speed it up.
Yep. What RPM we got?
I think it's 100. It's
80? 50? I want to say 50 is your lowest.
IR 100.
Oh, you're 100?
Yep.
All right.
Screw.
All right, let's get her up some RPM. Brake works good. What speed you got there?
400.
JNR, you're 400. Okay. So let's go back to our feeds. We'll get a little bit more action there. Yeah, runs really good. Wow, that's a brake.
Love that brake.
Yeah, you ain't kidding.
All right, this is 1600.
Let me stand out of the way on that. That's flying. Wow. That comes to a screeching halt. Let's do something in between. You were at 1600. Let's give me down to 1000 if you don't mind. Give me a Q and an L.
There's my L. There's my QL.
Shift's good. Nice.
Yeah, it's a very nice. Let's shift it to the low side.
So you're in low, that's 500 RPM, I'm assuming then? QNL, okay. So you're running 5 and it's basically silent. Yeah, that's nice. Everything about that runs really nice. We got our tooling. Let's pull that tray out, show the tooling. If we slide that out a little bit. Oh, I think you're stuck. Oh, yeah, you're stuck with that plate. Good. Here's our little bit of tooling we got in there. Follow us steady. And I think that's it. Cooling system on that. Is there, we can see a plumb for coolant that's in the base, okay. Get your tool post. Chuck, DRO. I think that covers it. All right, nice machine. Any questions? Let us know. Thanks for watching.